Hi folks, I'm back from Zimbabwe with my dog Barney. My favourite hill. I'll pop him down, he's a sweetheart. Good boy Barney. I want to say thanks for following along the journey in Zimbabwe. I hope you enjoyed the videos. While I was out there, I filmed loads of different musicians and fulfilled all of the requests that everybody's put in over social media and on my mailing list for the different songs, different musicians that you wanted to hear from. So I'll be uploading those videos over the coming months for everybody to enjoy. All of the recording that I was doing was the payments to the musicians is funded by subscribers around the world, subscribing through www.ambira.online. We've got an instrument from Garikai Tirikotti. It's a E flat, his Maharoro tuning, so it's like a major scale starting on the lowest note with E flat. I'll show that instrument. That's going to be a prize for somebody that's subscribing on January the 1st. So I'll put an announcement out on the mailing list for how to take part in that if you're not already subscribing, but it's dead simple. Go to www.ambira.online, subscribe from anything from $1 a month. You'll pay for future recordings through that to musicians in Zimbabwe, and you'll be in with a chance for winning that Ambira. I've got a pair of Hosho as well that I'll put in the mix as well, and some CDs. I'll see what I can do, try and keep everybody happy. So thanks again for following along. I'm back home safe in beautiful Stroud, Gloucestershire, where I run my Ambira camps. And I'm going back out to Zimbabwe again in 2 months. So some friends asked if I'd organise a tour there. So this last trip I was sort of checking out locations and speaking to different Ambira musicians and makers about hosting us. So I think I've got all that organised. I'll speak to everybody and let them know the plans that I've got in mind, and you'll see some more from me on social media as I do that trip. Yeah, so this brings my little video diary for this 2026 trip to an end. Please support the work that I'm doing. The folk in Zimbabwe are making do with a broken system. There's so many things that are going wrong out there, but anything we can do, every dollar helps. So yeah, if you can support the project, then you'll be paying for the videos that you're enjoying as well, and you can put in more requests, and hopefully I'll fulfill those for you. Thanks so much everybody, cheers.